Students, let's try to solve some questions from this topic, number patterns. So here is our question that is saying complete the following number pattern below. Here we can see that two mathematical applications are being going on simultaneously. Like in the left hand side we can see there is multiplication of two successive counting numbers, and on the right hand side we can see that they are the sum of the consecutive even numbers. So the digits that are written in the bold form, they are the sum of both the product of two consecutive counting numbers. Also we can say that they are the sum of consecutive even numbers, and the consecutive even numbers are increasing by 1 each time. So this is the pattern, and following this pattern we will fill in this blank. So let's see, here it is 4 multiplied by 5, then we will do 5 multiplied by 6, which is 30. We will get 30 when we will add all these even numbers. So this is how there is a pattern in this series of number. Let's move to next question. Now here is one more question. Here they have shown a pyramid of number, and here what would be the numbers in the last row in this pattern. We have to find the numbers in these. Now if you look at them carefully, you will see that here in this pattern the number in each square is the sum of the numbers in the squares above it. That is, see, it is 1 here. So 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Now again 1 plus 1 we are getting 2. 0 plus 1 1. 0 plus 1 1. Again here 2 plus 1 3. 2 plus 1 3. We are adding 0 here, that's the reason we are getting 1 here and 1 here. Again 3 plus 1 4. 3 plus 3 6. 3 plus 1 4. 0 plus 1 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Let's come to this row. 4 1 plus 4 is 5. 4 plus 6 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 plus 0 is 1. Again here 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 5 plus 10 is 15. 20. 15. 5 plus 1 is 6. 1 plus 0 is 1. So like this way, the number in each square is the sum of the numbers in the two squares above. The last row will have then 0 plus 1 will be 1. 6 plus 1 7. 15 plus 6 21. 20 plus 15 is 35. Again 20 plus 15 is 35. 15 plus 6 is 21. 6 plus 1 is 7. 1 plus 0 is 1. So this is the pattern that they have followed in this number pyramid. Let's go to another question. So here is one more question. Here what we have to do is look at the number patterns, then fill in the missing numbers. Here what they have done is 11 multiplied by 11 is 121. 111 multiplied by 111 is 12,321. 1,111 multiplied by 1,111 is 12,34,321. Again here 11,000 111 multiplied by 11,111 is equal to 12 crore 34 lakh 54,321. Now, there is one interesting and funny thing about it. This thing we can do without even calculating it manually. You can imagine the amount of time it would have taken if we sit and do it manually, like this way. Now start calculating it. It will take a long time, but there is an easy way. How? Let's see. Let's try to figure out a pattern from this. We can see there are 1, right? This is 11, that means there are 2 digits. So that's why we have written here 2. And we have put 1 here, 1 here. Now when the number of digit, that is the number of the digit 1 is 3, we are putting that digit here 3, and we are putting 2 here, 1, 1. Just try to understand the pattern over here. There are 4 1, right? So we are writing 4 in the middle, and then here 3 2 1, 3 2 1. Here there are 5 1s. So we will write 5 in the middle, and then this pattern 4 3 2 1, 4 3 2 1, that we know palindrome. So this is a sequence, this is a pattern which is helping us to calculate such big numbers without manually calculating it and saving our time. So let's see, there are 5. So let's see, if we put 3 here, if we put 6 ones here, so this will be 111,111 multiplied by 111,111. See, there are 6 ones over here. So we will put 6 in the middle and will do it like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Isn't it funny? Let's try one more. Let's try 1,111,111 multiplied by 1,111,111. That means there are 7 ones present here. So we will write 7 in the middle, then we'll write 6 here, 6 here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is how number pattern help us in saving our time to calculate such big numbers without even doing it manually. And yes, this trick is of course for the digit where 11 is present. That means where all the digits are 11. This is not applicable for another digits till now. So students, with this topic, we have come to the end of this chapter, that is whole numbers. Let's recapitulate ones that we have studied in this chapter. First, we have studied about, in part 1, we have studied about natural numbers, whole numbers, Indian place value system, international place value system, comparison between Indian place value system and international place value system. Then we started part 2. Part 2 had all these topics in it: identifying values of a digit, forming, comparing and ordering whole numbers, rounding numbers to the nearest 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh, and number patterns. So these were the topics that we have studied in our chapter 1, and with this we have finished our first chapter.